plastic. I'm going to insert a 16 gigabyte SD card. I believe this is a class 10 or a class 4. I get them confused. This is the spring-loaded type. You need to push the SD card in with your nail or with a pen or maybe something sharp and get it to click in. When you hear it click, that lets you know that it's in position and it's ready to start recording. Before you should use the camera, charge it up. Plug the USB cable into a USB port first, then charge the camera into the USB cable. Whoops, I've dropped this thing a few times and it's still working, so that's good. I haven't dropped it off a building, but it seems to be fairly right time and date. At the way in, this mini DV comes in at a little over 30 flown with the X5C. As you see here, I strapped the mini DV to the side of the X5C to try to get some test shots, and good news is the camera had, the X5C has no trouble lifting the weight of this camera. Because it is not a wide angle camera, it's really not optimum for this kind of use. You get a narrow field if you may want that for certain things, but I think for drone applications it's a little bit narrow. Picture quality